Time is running out. Black Friday 2025 is about to end with insane Amazon deals slashed up to 88% off. Today, we are breaking down the definitive list of the top 25 Black Friday deals live on Amazon right now. From smart home gadgets to personal tech and powerful tools, we have handpicked the most valuable offers to help you shop smarter. Remember to use the links in the description. They are your direct path to the latest discounts for every single product we cover. Let's dive in. We begin with the Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet, a device built specifically for young learners. Normally priced at $99.99, it is now just $44.99 for Black Friday, a massive 55% discount. It features a 7-inch HD display, up to 10 hours of battery life, and includes 6 months of Amazon Kids Plus with thousands of ad-free books and educational apps. With a 2-year worry-free guarantee, this is the ultimate affordable and durable tech gift for children. Next is the Amazon Echo Show 5 Kids, a smart display designed for family use. Originally $99.99, it has been reduced to $54.99, saving you 45% off the standard price. It offers parental controls, kid-friendly video calling, bedtime stories, and a full year of Amazon Kids Plus content. This compact device is a perfect introduction to smart home technology and a safe, engaging package for young users. The Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet offers a premium experience at a budget price. Typically $139.99, it is now available for just $69.99, a full 50% price reduction. It boasts a 10.1-inch Full HD screen, a powerful octa-core processor, and 3 gigabytes of RAM for smooth streaming and multitasking. This deal makes a high-performance tablet more accessible than ever for work and entertainment. For vehicle safety, the V1P4K dual-channel dashcam is a professional-grade recording system. Previously $159.99, it is now $120.99, a solid 24% savings. It provides true 4K front recording and a rear camera with a 170-degree lens, featuring a G-sensor and Wi-Fi connectivity. This dash cam ensures comprehensive coverage and peace of mind on the road for every driver. The Ring Indoor Cam is a compact and powerful home monitoring device. Usually $49.99, it is now half price at just $24.99, a full 50% discount. It delivers 1080p HD video, night vision, motion alerts, and two-way audio from its discreet design. This camera is an essential, affordable upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their home security effortlessly. For outdoor security, the Google Nest Cam with Floodlight is a top-tier smart solution. Normally $279.99, it is now discounted to $189.99, saving you 32%. It offers sharp video quality, smart person alerts, and powerful LED floodlights that activate upon motion detection. This integrated system provides robust protection and illumination for any home exterior. The Kwikset Smart Code 270 Smart Lock modernizes your home entry. Originally $128, it is now $102.40, a 20% price reduction. It enables keyless access with custom codes and includes an auto lock feature for added security. This smart lock offers a perfect blend of convenience and reliability for your main doorway. The TEHO TE002 fingerprint lock provides key-free entry through biometric access. Previously $69.99, it is now just $43.53, saving you 38%. It registers multiple fingerprints and delivers instant secure entry with a simple touch. This lock is an ideal high-tech upgrade for any household seeking ultimate convenience. Another great entry option is the Kwikset Smart Code 917 Smart Lock. Typically $105.84, it is now $81.58, a 23% discount. It is designed for interior doors or secondary entries with its sleek design and easy keypad access. This model offers a simple and effective way to secure any room without physical keys. The Toshiba 55-inch M550 QLED Fire TV is an entertainment powerhouse. Normally $449.99, it is now a stunning $249.99, a 44% price cut. It features a 4K QLED display for vibrant colors and includes the Fire TV platform with Alexa voice control. This television delivers a premium viewing experience at an unprecedented value. The ULTRALOQU- Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a feature-rich security solution. Originally $169.99, it is now $110.69, saving you 35%. It supports 8 unlock methods, including fingerprint, app control, and auto unlock with built-in Wi-Fi. This is the ultimate smart lock for tech-savvy homeowners wanting maximum flexibility. For content creators, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Extended Power Bundle is essential. Valued at $499.99, it is now $349, a 30% discount. The bundle includes the latest Hero 13 camera, extra batteries, a charger, a memory card, and a protective case. This kit is perfect for capturing high-quality adventures with extended battery life. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Cleaner tackles tough stains anywhere. Previously $94.99, it is now $74.99, a 21% savings. This portable cleaner handles carpets, upholstery, and car interiors with powerful suction and specialized formulas. It is a must-have tool for pet owners and parents alike. The Shark Power Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum offers powerful, convenient cleaning. Normally $379.99, it is now $249, a 34% price reduction. It features strong suction, HEPA filtration, and a lightweight, cordless design for whole home cleaning. This vacuum combines performance and ease of use for a spotless home. The ShopVac 5-gallon wet-dry vacuum is a workshop essential. Originally $89.99, it is now $69.99, saving 22%. This reliable vacuum handles liquids, debris, and dust with a durable 5-gallon capacity. It is the perfect utility tool for garage, workshop, or home maintenance tasks. The Nothing Headphone One delivers premium audio and unique design. Typically $299, it is now $239, a 20% discount. It offers hybrid active noise cancellation, 80-hour battery life, and crystal clear sound quality. These headphones are a standout choice for audiophiles seeking style and performance. Gamers will appreciate the EasySMX D10 wireless controller, now $47.99 from $59.99, a 20% savings. It features anti-drift joysticks, customizable RGB lighting, and a 1,000 Hz polling rate for responsive gameplay. This controller provides a competitive edge for PC and mobile gaming enthusiasts. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium enhances home comfort and efficiency. Previously $259.99, it is now $219.99, a 15% discount. It includes smart sensors, air quality monitoring, and built-in Alexa for voice control. This thermostat intelligently manages your home's climate and energy usage. The Smart Biometrics Safe secures valuables with advanced technology. Normally $279.99, it is now $169.99, a 39% price reduction. It opens via fingerprint in under a second and includes wireless charging and humidity monitoring. This safe offers high-tech protection for your most important items. The Hyperlight Gen 2 hexagon garage lights brighten any workspace. Originally $62.99, they are now $50.15, a 20% discount. These LED panels are linkable, energy efficient, and provide brilliant, even lighting. They are ideal for garages, workshops, or home gyms. The Bosch PR20 EVS palm rooter is a precision tool for woodworking. Typically $139, it is now $89, a 36% savings. This compact router is perfect for detailed edging, trimming, and crafting with ease and control. It is an essential addition for any DIY enthusiast or craftsman. The Fate Electric RGB smart bulbs transform your home lighting. A 2-pack is now $15.20, down 39% from $24.99. These bulbs offer millions of colors, voice control, and customizable schedules through a smart app. They are a simple and affordable way to create the perfect ambiance. The 90,000 lumen rechargeable flashlight is a powerful and reliable light source. Previously $49.99, it is now $31.98, a 36% discount. It is USB-C rechargeable, built from military-grade aluminum, and ideal for emergencies or outdoor use. This flashlight ensures you are never left in the dark. The Ronine gas tankless water heater provides endless hot water on demand. Normally $399, it is now $319, saving 20%. This efficient system heats water instantly, saving energy and space compared to traditional tanks. It is a smart upgrade for any household. Finally, the Redline Deep Well Pump is a robust water solution for properties. Originally $491.95, it is now $397.76, a 19% price reduction. It delivers consistent, high-pressure water flow from deep wells with reliable performance. This pump is a long-term investment for dependable water access. These 25 deals represent the peak of Black Friday value, but they are fleeting. Prices can change, and stock will disappear. Do not wait. Click the links in the description now to secure these discounts before they are gone. Upgrade your life and save big today.